up. Sorry if there's a bit of rain. Yeah, we've both got a new set of tyres and we're trying to wear them in because they're silicone. Yeah, we're on our way to Brighton. Let's go Primark. So I can get myself a hoodie like that instead of wearing one underneath because I can't move a bloody muscle. Yeah, these new set of tyres are lovely. When you lean, it's just like, it's like it just wants to pull you over more. But it's nice. I've got all the silicone, so I'm trying to get rid of it. It's quite hard to do so when it's wet, because you just go whoop. Like the day I got them, I went round a roundabout, and yeah, came off it, like to come off the roundabout. The road's a little slanted, so I gave it something to get some speed. And my back end started coming out. I was like, uh-oh. Wanker. It was a bit close. Bit close, my liking. Oil everywhere on these roads. It's not nice. So yeah, a bit worried about leaning. It's a fucking crazy motherfucker. Yeah, so I'm assuming we're going to do the tunnel run. Slip now. Oh, you fucker. There's some blokes staring at me. It's not awkward at all. It's not raining now anyway. It's just a bit wet and just got to try and get rid of all this silicone. So yeah, anyway, that's the plan today. We're going to go Brighton, go Primark, get a jumper, try and wear as much of this bloody silicone as we can. Yeah, we're doing that. Fuck this shit, this mirror. That's better. Yeah, so hopefully the rain will stop now. Hopefully it'll dry up and we'll cushy. We did it! I've just got the some new app on my phone. It's called Rev, R-E-V-V, and it's exactly the same basically as Instagram, but just specifically for motorbikes. It is well good. But yeah, what I do, I'll put the with a link I suppose, inscription if I can, or you know, if I remember, if I can be bothered, you never know. But I'm joking. But yeah, if I remember, I'll put it in there, and you guys should follow me on that, because I don't really use normal Instagram. So yeah, we do this. Ah, you go, you stole it. Ah, yeah, not a shame that is. Are you going left or are you going right? Are you going left? That was a not a shame. That's what that was.
Get the log.
Have you got this lock or anything? Yeah, I've got an idea. Because it is Brighton and all, you know what I mean? He's going the wrong fucking way. There's a person. Right guys, well he's gone home because he's got work soon. Oh fucking hell. Yeah, basically. Still wet, little dry spots here and there, but nothing major, nicely nice, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna head home. Because I'm freezing as well. I'm gonna head home and edit this video. Again though, I'm on nights next week, so there might be a few days where I don't do a video and all that, but Wednesday's meant to be very nice. So we shall see, shall I say. But yeah, I will try my best to do videos before I go to work. They've actually closed it all down, haven't they? What the fuck are you doing? That's not annoying to live there, is it? But yes, and now I've got to go the long way home because they fucking closed the road. Of all places. It's going to be slippery as fuck down here. Oh, mud. Oh, don't go in there. Been down here for a while actually, I think. Stand up! Oh, stretch my legs from that. God, what a weird fucking turn. Who the fuck was that? Someone's beeping at me. Could have been me mate, Matt. So anyway guys, I suppose I must say goodbye now. funny day. Enjoy going out riding with Brooke. She's just a nutter and it makes me laugh all the time. Oh god, all around about, leaves everywhere. This is not the good. This is not the good. Oh my god, it's slipping already. I should have done what the other lot done. I haven't done a Yui. Right, well, anyway guys, if you like this video, then please put your thumbs up. Put your thumbs up. Yeah. If you want to see more and be the first person to know that I've uploaded a video, then please subscribe. See ya!
Oh,